Hey, what's up everybody? It's Ralph Boyd here, aka Army Outdoors, filming my first ever YouTube video. Gonna give this a whirl, never done it before. Been in a few videos with some other guys, Bass and Bill 96, Guggen Squad guys, Fishing with Gramps, Tackle Junkie, and a few other guys, Adam Ryan Fishing, Paulie Martin from Get Real Bass Fishing. Kind of been my inspirations for trying to do something like this. So I figured I'd give it a whirl. A little bit about me. I am in the Army, active duty Army station at Fort Irwin, California, in the western U.S. Been out here for almost a little over a year now, and hoping to come back east to where the good fishing is, hopefully back to Kentucky in the early part of next year. But more to follow on that. I'll do a bigger introduction video at a later time. Currently I'm sitting in my boat. I fish out of a 2021 Tracker Pro Team 195 Tournament Edition, and I pull that with a 2021 Nissan Titan Pro 4X. But yeah, want to go into this video with a couple of unboxings. I recently won 2 giveaways from Debo's Fishing and Fishing with Gramps. Fishing with Gramps and I share a special bond as we're both prior Army. He's retired now, and I am still in, like I said. So let's go ahead and unbox what I got from him first, and then we'll do Debo's Fishing one right after that. Both of these were in a giveaway box. They won on one of their lives back to back in about 2 weeks apart. Debo won the race. I got his first before I got JT's, but it's okay. JT was out fishing. So let's go into what I got. So out of Gramps' box, came in right here. First thing I got out of here was the 6 cents panoramas. We got 2 Tokyo rigs and a 2-aught. Smithwick suspended jerk bait, very good one right there. Trying to play with the lighting here as the sun's coming up into the garage. Got a Megabass mag draft in a limited color. This one looks really nice. Pack of Gary Yamamoto swim baits. Pack of secret lures. This is a stupid craw. Another pack of Gary Yamamoto's with the flapping hog right there. Yamamoto Zekos. We got the X-Zone Hot Shot Minnow by Brandon Polinick. Another one of my favorite bass anglers. I've actually met him twice at 2 different classics. I went to the Bassmaster Classic in 22 in Hartwell and 23 in Knoxville. Those were amazing times. Got to meet him as well as many others, and actually ended up with Matt Robertson and his crew in the bed of the truck that's sitting in front of me because they asked for a ride back to their truck at the parking garage. So threw them in the back and took them down to their truck. It was pretty cool. Got a really good video and pictures of that with my buddy Darren there. We got some missile baits here. Got the Secret Lures Chubby Frog in a black neon color. Another pack of missile baits here with the Baby D-Bomb. Of course, got American Legacy Fishing Outdoors. Shout out to Graham and all those guys out there at American Legacy. Prior to being here in California, I was stationed in Fort Knox, Kentucky. So it's pretty close to Fishing with Gramps. So we used to go up there and fish in Indiana. And of course, we'd go hang out at American Legacy Fishing. So I got to meet all those great guys up there. Hope to get back there and be able to see them again. We got the Z-Man Willow vibe here. We got Guggen baits, 3.3 Bandito bugs. Got ourselves some Freedom Squad stickers. I am part of the Freedom Squad with Gramps, and his brother Jeremy and Matt OEF5. We're all military personnel, so we share that special bond. So proud to be a part of the Freedom Squad. Got the jersey, wear it proudly. Then we got ourselves a black Hellraiser. Pretty cool, unique bait if you've never seen it. And then we got a pack of another pack of Guggen 3.3 Bandito bugs, and then a pack of Guggen Slim Shake worms. So that is Gramps' box. Again, shout out to him for sending me that. It was super awesome. Can't be more thankful for just having that special bond and being able to win a giveaway box and to be able to fish with him. And definitely excited on being able to do that when and if I get back to Kentucky here in the spring. So more following that. I'll definitely do more videos if I can do that. I think I'll have more time in my Army life to do that. And let's go over here real quick to the box from Debo's. Trying to go fishing with him. If I do go back to Kentucky, my plan is going to be to try and drive back that way through Iowa and fish with him. And follow him for a while. So here we got the Fish Labs Bio Shad weight bait right here. It's really cool. We got some Hogs Tornadoes right here, made in the USA. Another Hog Tornado right here, Purple Haze. Pretty cool looking bait there, perfect for a drop shot, I think. And then we have the Coffee Tubes from Strike King, can never go wrong with those. Another Strike King with the Rage Tail with the Rage Ned Cutter Worm. Classic right there. I got some more missile baits with the D-bombs. And we have the Buzz and Speed Toad from Berkeley Power Bait. That'll definitely do some good right there. Then we have a Booyah swim bait, or sorry, spinner bait, right here with the Booyah blades. And we have a pack of net bait 6-inch lizards. And we got a Rapala OG series right here, Tiny 4, little flat-sided crankbait. That'll definitely do some damage. I like fishing those. And the last one in here is a homemade Debo bait right here, Topwater. With his signature on it. It's the second bait I've actually got from him. He mailed me one probably 2 or 3 years ago that I won in a giveaway. It's somewhere here in the boat. But definitely a classic one right there. So thank you to Debo. Then of course, no box is complete without the Debo stickers. These will definitely be going on the boat for sure. And then finally a little bonus, just happened around the same time. I got the Monsterbass box in for the month. Been getting their boxes for a long time now. Rick actually is not that far from me. He's down the road in LA. Haven't had a chance to meet up yet. But he's out here. He's a pretty awesome dude. Been on a live a few times with him, calling in and asking questions. So definitely an awesome guy. Hopefully one of these days we get to meet up. But in this month's box was the Ultimate Frog from Live Target. It's original weedless with extra legs. I think this will do really good in some grass and some pads there. Then we got the Mach K Catch right there, Topwater. Some more Strike King here with the Rodent. Perfect for putting on chatterbait. Got the Jean LaRue Hammer Craw. Pretty cool right there. Then we got the Grande Bass Fishing Lures, the Megatail Rattlesnake in Morning Dawn color. Pretty cool color there. We got a Greenfish Tackle Hammerhead Topwater. Buzzbait right there. Make sure the lighting stays good there for that. And then finally got the Bose Jig right here. I think that one came out really good. Then of course the bag. I use these all over the boat for storing everything. Great little thing to have. Keep them up. Alrighty, well that is everything that I got. Like I said, I'll upload this video completely unedited, first time ever doing anything like it. And then probably do some more here in the future. So other than that, appreciate you guys, tight lines, and God bless America.